Hi guys, it's Karomi One, your Karomi girl. I know that I'm not posting a video today, but I just wanted to do this. But this is the last one for today, and make sure to watch it. Bababa ko muna kayo. Hi! Ayan, nababa ko na kayo. So, for today, we're going to sayaw. Ulala. Alam niyo naman yun. Gusto ko lang, trip ko lang to. Trip ko lang pakita sa inyo paano ako sumayaw. Ay, hindi mo kita ng teacher. Ito guys. Yung... So, mag-start tayo in 3, 2, 1. Guys, ulitin ko nga. Sorry guys. Ulitin ko lang. Ulitin ko. Hey! 1, 3, 2, okay guys. Hey guys, that's... Okay. Wait lang. Search ko lang ulit to. Okay guys, did you like it? If you like it, make sure to like. And please subscribe. podcast, hindi niyo ako makikita mag-post in 2 months, and that's all. And remember, this is Koromi Ivonya, Koromi Girl.